Okay guys, ito na yung ating finished product. It's a yummy Pancit Canton. Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to cook Pancit Canton for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, let's preheat our skillet for about maybe 5 minutes for 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, there you go. Let's wait until it's get hot. Okay, antayin lang natin hanggang ito'y uminit talaga. Okay, maglalagay na tayo ng oil, a bit of oil, para maiwasan yung pagiging sticky. I'm using grapeseed oil. Okay, dahil healthy yung grapeseed oil. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron ganito meron naman siguro sa Pilipinas. Okay, now let's saute first. This is 4 cloves of garlic cut into pieces and medium size of onion cut into strips. Okay, gigisain na natin. Okay, before mag-saute, re-reduce muna natin yung ating temperature to 180. Okay. Okay, yan. Isa na natin ang ating garlic hanggang medyo brown siya. Smell, talaga mabango. Let's put our onion. Kasi hindi maraming oil ang aking ginamit. Dahil hindi daw dapat ilalagyan ng oil itong ating lutuan, but I choose to put some oil para medyo hindi sticky. So it's your options kung lalagyan nyo ng oil or hindi. Let's put our chicken. I use the breast part of the chicken and cut into cubes. There. So let's put. Kamayin ko na. Para may lasa. Let's wait 5 minutes hanggang maluto siya. Golden brown. And let's cover. Okay. Let's wait until 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is done. So actually, I add a bit of chicken nuggets para sa mga bata because they love chicken nuggets. So ito na. We're going to put our Pancit Canton. Okay. Ayan, nalagay na natin yung ating pancit canton. This is a half, 1/4. I think it's 1/4. 227 grams, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, ito na yung ating pancit canton. I use canton noodles or pancit canton. 227 grams. So, mamaya iset ulit natin ang ating timer for 10 to 12 minutes, I think, for me. And then, lalagay natin ang ating mga veggies. Okay? Okay, maglalagay na tayo ng water. It's optional. Either 1 or 2 cups, but I'd rather use 2 cups. Ile-level natin yung water up to the middle only. Okay, ngayon we will put our cabbage. This is 1/4 part of the cabbage, no? Cut into strips. Let's put ganito yung pagluto sa lutoan ito. Dump lang. Yung easy way na pagluluto ng pancit dito sa lutoan ito. And I really like it. Okay. Ngayon, let's add our this is capsicum or green bell pepper. It's a medium size, cut into strips. And then yung medium size din carrots, cut into small strips also. Okay. Ngayon, lalagay na natin. Lalagay na natin ang ating green bell pepper. Sunod na natin ating carrots. Okay. Ayan. Malinis man ang aking kamay. And then, add na natin yung ating mga condiments. Okay, I'm going to use soy sauce. 2 teaspoonfuls or bit na lang. Oyster sauce. It's going to pour out hanggang kalahati. Wait until 11 minutes. Okay, after 11 minutes, it's up to you if it's 10 or 12. So after here's our pancit canton. Now all we need to do is mix it. No? There you go. Okay guys, ito na yung ating finished product. It's a yummy pancit canton. Okay, hope you like it and hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. God bless.